Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this channel, it's about how to make money, online tips and tutorials, and website review. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. So guys, on today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make your own coloring book as an easy way without paying anything else. Although this website, it's a paid plan, but I'm going to simplify everything for you and to be easier for you to create. So let's get started. So the first thing that we need to do here is to go to Amazon, and then we have to research the ideas that we want to create. If you don't have an idea, you can create. There are two types of coloring books that you can do. You can do it for kids coloring books, and also you can do adult coloring books. So for this tutorial, let me just concentrate example for kids coloring books. So we just need to come here to kids coloring books, and for this research, I'm just going to search animal coloring book. I'm going to show you a simple way that you can create coloring book, and I hope you love it. So as you can see, this one we have cute animals. We have this one for giraffe. As you can see, this one it's being sold for $7 and the other one for $6. There is comfy freds, comfy days, world animals. So let's open this one and get an idea. So this one, you can see they are wild animals, and you can see the cover, it's a bit cute. It's cute, yeah. As you can see here, they have 50 amazing designs of nature wonders. So the first thing that you need to do here is to come here for products details. For product details, we need to go and look for the pages. The pages are 1 or 3 pages. And also you can see the dimensions we need to use, 8.5 by 11 inches. For that one, you need to go directly to Canva, input the custom size, 8.11 inches. For today's video, I'm just going to show you how you can generate image. For the next one, I'll show you how to create directly on Canva, although I have done that in past. You can check my videos there. So let's get started. So the next thing that we need to do here is to go to Leonardo AI. So if you don't have an account, you just need to come here and type Leonardo AI, then click on get started. So after you have clicked get started, you're supposed to sign up with your email, input password, and after that, it's going to log in here. You just need to log in here. So here on Leonardo, if you don't have an idea of what you want to create, for this tutorial we are going to be doing wild animals. So you can come to ChatGPT. You can come here to ChatGPT. If you don't have an idea of what to sell, you can come here to ChatGPT and type wild animals names. So I just want the names because for this tutorial, I'm just going to be showing you just something simple that you can do with this AI tool. So we have lion, we have tiger, we have leopard, etc., etc. So let's go back to Leonardo and create our first coloring book. So for this one, you can choose elephant. So I just need to come here to Leonardo AI, come here to lead time generation. I hope you can see this one. We are going to ignore the others and come here to lead time generation. So this one I was generating. So let me just remove. So for the prompts here, you can just choose to choose anything that you want. So example, let's just type baby elephant. So let me go with elephant. So the next thing that you need to do here is to come here to adjust coloring page. So you can see it's adjusting to baby elephant. So there we have it. So after you have done that, the next thing that you can do here is to click here. You can see the seed number that we have. See how cute it is, the baby elephant. So after you have done that, you just need to come here to download, and it's going to download to your computer. So you can see it's downloading on my computer. So the next animal we have here is a lion. So we can choose to write a lion here. So the same goes for Flora. So this one was supposed to be here when I was starting. So you just need to adjust to your preference. So you can even choose to type lion with baby cub. So it's going to generate what you want. See that? So all you need to do here is to adjust the coloring book. For the others, you can play with them how you like. Like you can just adjust here, then come back here. Although for me, for toon animation, I just leave it 0, all the others zeros, and then I play with the coloring book. And they usually come out amazing. So you can choose to download this one. Also, you can even write lion sleeping. And also, even if you don't have idea of the prompts that you are using, you can go to ChatGPT and request it to give you ideas of the prompt. So I want it the head to be looking on this side. So I'm just playing with this coloring book. So this one, it's so amazing. All you need to do here is click on download. So the next one, so let's say we need to for tiger, we have leopard. So let's generate at least one more so that you can have an idea. But if you don't have an idea, I have told you, you can go to ChatGPT and request it to give you image prompt. So I can say tiger running. So you see, so we are adjusting it slowly until we get our desired image. So there is so many things that you can do here with real-time gen. Oh, I did type. Also, you can choose for floral garden, because I think some people maybe don't want to generate image for animals. Maybe they want for flowers. You can say a few flowers. So if you feel it's not appealing, you just need to change your prompt. You can say a girl. I have seen, I think, a girl holding a flower. Holding a flower. So you see, all you need to do here is adjust. So this real-time gens works well if you have a good prompt. You see, like you can create so many images with this. You can see this one, it's for a kid. We can also choose African woman. So also you can choose to add coloring page to maybe make it a bit unique. You see? So that's it for today, guys. I hope you're enjoying this video, and I hope you subscribe and you liked my video. So I hope you come here, practice, generate prompts, and then come back on Leonardo AI and generate your coloring page. See you guys in the next video. Bye.